Hello, Emma. Thank you for coming today.
Hello, Tom. I am happy to help you and Max.
Max is very energetic. He jumps on everyone in the park.
That is very common for young dogs. We can fix that.
He does not listen to me. I feel very frustrated.
Don't worry, Tom. Training takes time and practice.
Is he too old to learn? He is 1 year old.
No, he's perfect. 1 year is a great age for school.
What is our first step? I am ready to start.
We need to keep him calm. Put him on a short leash.
Okay, the leash is short now. Max is sitting down.
Good. Always reward him when he's quiet.
Should I give him a treat? I have some biscuits.
Yes, give him one now. He's being a good boy.
He took it very fast. He is always hungry.
Hunger is good for training. It makes him focus on us.
Look, he's jumping again. Stop it, Max.
Don't shout his name. Use a firm and quiet voice.
Stay down, Max. Is that better, Emma?
Yes, much better. Now turn your back to him.
Why should I turn around? I cannot see him.
He wants your attention. If you turn, he gets nothing.
Oh, I see. He is sitting quietly now.
Now turn back and smile. Give him a nice pet.
You are a smart boy, Max. You are very calm.
This is called ignoring bad behavior. It works very well.
I never thought about that. I usually just shout.
Shouting is like barking to a dog. He thinks you are playing.
That explains a lot. I was playing with him by mistake.
Exactly. Now let's try a new command. Dogs watch our bodies. Hand signals are very important.
What is the signal for stop? Show me, please.
Put your palm forward. Keep your arm very straight.
Like this? My hand is in front of Max.
Yes, perfect. Now say the word stay clearly.
Max, stay. Stay right there, buddy.
Now take one step back. Watch his eyes.
He is moving. He wants to follow me.
Step forward again. Put your hand up again.
Max, stay. I am taking a step back now.
Good. He is staying in his place.
1, 2, 3 seconds. He did it.
Great job, Tom. You are a good leader.
I feel more confident now. This is very interesting.
Dogs need a leader. They feel safe with rules.
Max looks more relaxed too. He is watching Emma.
He likes the structure. Every dog loves a job.
Is stay his job now? It looks like work.
Yes, it is mental work. It tires him out.
That is good. He has too much energy at night.
15 minutes of training is like a long walk.
Really? That is very helpful for me.
Yes, his brain is working hard. He is learning.
Can we try the signal again? I want to practice.
Go ahead. I will watch your form.
Max, stay. I am moving away now.
Excellent. Your hand is very steady.
He stayed for 10 seconds. This is amazing.
Reward him now. He is a star student.
Good boy, Max. Here is a tasty biscuit.
Now we need look at me. Eye contact is key.
Why do we need eye contact? Is it for focus?
Yes, if he looks at you, he listens. If not, he wanders.
How do I make him look? He is watching a squirrel.
Hold a treat near your eyes. Call his name once.
Max, look at me. Look here, Max.
He's looking at your face. Click your fingers now.
He is watching me closely. His ears are up.
Give him the treat now. He made eye contact.
Good boy. You have very pretty eyes, Max.
Repeat this often. Do it in different places.
Can we do it near the trees? There are many birds.
Yes, let's move over there. It is more difficult.
Max, look at me. Ignore the birds, Max.
He's distracted. Use a squeaky toy now.
Max, look. Here is your favorite toy.
He looked at you immediately. That is great.
He loves this yellow ball. It is his favorite.
Use the ball as a reward. It is better than food.
Really? I thought food was the best.
For some dogs, toys are better. Max loves to play.
He is a very active dog. He loves to fetch.
We can use fetch for training too. It is a reward.
Show me how, Emma. I want to try that.
Tell him to sit, then throw the ball.
Max, sit. Wait for the ball, boy.
He is waiting. Now throw it and say, go.
Go, Max. Get the ball.
He is running fast. He's a happy collie.
He is bringing it back. This is so fun.
Now we practice walking. He must not pull.
He pulls very hard. My arm always hurts.
Walk slowly. If he pulls, you must stop.
Stop walking completely? For how long?
Just for a second. Wait for the leash to go loose.
Okay, we are moving. Oh, he is pulling now.
Stop right there. Don't say anything.
He is looking back at me. He is confused.
That is good. He is thinking about you.
The leash is loose now. Can we walk?
Yes, move forward again. Keep the leash relaxed.
We are walking nicely. He is near my leg.
Good. Say heel so he knows the word.
Heel, Max. Stay near me. Good boy.
He is doing very well. You are a natural, Tom.
Thank you. It is hard to be patient.
Patience is the most important tool. You are doing great.
He wants to go to that bush. Should I let him?
Not when we are training. Keep him focused on the path.
Max, heel. We are walking together.
Look at his tail. It is wagging gently.
He is not stressed. He seems very proud.
He is proud because he knows the rules. Rules are good.
I feel much better now. Walking is not a battle.
It should be a conversation, you and your dog.
That is a beautiful way to say it. I like that.
Training builds a strong bond. You are becoming a team.
I can see that already. Max is watching my steps.
Give him a treat while walking. It reinforces the position.
Here you go, Max. You are the best walker.
Look, another dog is coming. This is a test.
Oh no, Max loves other dogs. He will bark.
Don't be nervous. Max feels your stress.
I am taking a deep breath. I am calm.
Good. Hold the leash firmly, but not tightly.
Max, look at me. Focus on the ball, Max.
Use the squeaky toy now. Keep his attention.
Max, look here. Stay with me, boy.
The other dog is passing. Max is quiet.
He didn't bark. He just watched the dog.
That is a huge success, Tom. Well done.
I'm so happy. Good boy, Max.
Give him a lot of praise. He was very brave.
You are a champion, Max. You are so good.
He ignored a big distraction. That is very hard.
I thought it was impossible, but we did it.
Nothing is impossible with training. You just need a plan.
Your plan is working perfectly. Thank you, Emma.
You are doing the work, Tom. I am just a guide.
What should we do next? Maybe lie down?
Let's try that. It is a very relaxing command.
Max, down. Go down on the grass.
Use a treat in your hand. Lead his nose down.
He is following my hand. His belly is down.
Perfect. Click your fingers and reward him.
Good boy. You are a very flexible dog.
Down is good for cafes and parks. He can rest.
I want to take him to cafes. That is my dream.
With this progress, you can go next week.
That makes me very excited. I love my dog.
We are finished for today. You both worked hard.
I learned so much. My brain is tired too.
That is normal. You are a great student.
Max is lying on the grass. He is very sleepy.
That is a sign of a good lesson. He is happy.
I have a gift for Max. It is a new toy.
That is a nice reward. He earned it today.
Here is a big blue bone, Max. It's for you.
He looks very pleased. He is a lucky dog.
And I have something for you, Emma. It is a card.
Oh, thank you, Tom. That is very kind of you.
You helped me understand my dog. That is a big gift.
It is my passion. I love seeing happy teams.
Will you come back next week? I want more lessons.
Yes, I will be here. We can try roll over.
Max will love that. He is very silly.
Every dog has a personality. Max is very fun.
He is my best friend. Now he is a polite friend.
Politeness is the key to freedom for a dog.
I agree. Now he can go more places with me.
Have a wonderful evening, Tom. Give Max a hug.
I will. Thank you again, Emma.
Goodbye, Max. See you next time, boy.
We are walking to the car now. Max is perfect.
He is walking next to you. No pulling.
It is a miracle. I am a happy owner.
See you soon, Tom. Take care.
Goodbye, Emma. Have a great day.
I am waving goodbye. The sun is beautiful.
Today was a perfect day for training.